Rabbit and the Not So Big Bad Wolf by Michael Escoffier and illustrated by Chris DiGiacomo. Tell me, Rabbit, do you know the Not So Big Bad Wolf? No, that is the Big Bad Wolf. The Not So Big Bad Wolf has small ears. Yes, like that. But the Not So Big Bad Wolf has small teeth. Oh, that's good. But the Not So Big Bad Wolf has a small nose. Oh, almost. But the Not So Big Bad Wolf has long hair. Yes, the Not So Big Bad Wolf looks like that. And here it comes. I smell rabbit. Don't let it catch you. Hide! Not there. The wolf can see your ears. Not there. The wolf can see your tail. Too late. Here I am, the not so big bad wolf. I got you. And now you will get a big hug.